Hello, my name is Alexander. I am the creator of Simple Commenter. Simple Commenter is a straightforward tool that lets you collect client feedback directly on your website. This tool was born out of the frustration of sending screenshots and PDFs back and forth with your client. Once you have the tool set up, you get this module in the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you have the disabled, view and comment mode. In view mode, you can view the comments and add replies. In the comment mode, you can add new comments. And here's a list of all the comments that have been made on the website. And if you click on it, it's an anchor link to that comment. Now your clients can leave associated comments. Now the setup is super easy. Once you have created an account, you go to your dashboard and you add in your domain. I've already done it. So once you're in your domain page, you can enable email notifications. You can pick your theme, save the settings, and copy this script to the head of your website. Now I have made some documentation on how to do that, but if it's still unclear, you can contact me directly via support